Hello everybody, John here. It's Wednesday, April the 27th, 2022, and on today's adventure we're going to be visiting the Sylvan Heights Bird Park, the largest collection of waterfowl in the world. Over 2,000 birds and 240 different species, so we're excited to bring you along with us. We got about an hour's trip over there to Scotland Neck, North Carolina, and we'll go ahead and get started. But first I'd like to introduce Gigi, my friend who will be joining us again on today's adventure. Good morning, Gigi. Good morning again, Gigi.
Good morning, buenos dias. I'm so happy to be here with the best, most prolific YouTube videographer in the world.
I didn't pay her to say that. Okay guys, Gigi and I have made it to Sylvan Heights Bird Park right outside of Scotland Neck, North Carolina. It is 18 acres and it has a mile trail that you can walk through and see all the birds. We're going to show you as much as we can today. It was founded in 2006 by Mike and Ali Luba. And there has a gift shop here. We're going to go in the gift shop, get our tickets, show you a little bit about the gift shop, and then we're going to see how many birds we can show you. I hope we can find some interesting things. We're going to feed the birds before we leave. And so just hang around with us and let's see what we can find. Now first, Gigi and I have to sanitize and disinfect our shoes, so we're going to...
If you go straight out, there's Miss Branch right there.
We're going to walk through this little tray over here, and that's supposed to sanitize our shoes.
You go that way. Okay.
All right, here we go, Gigi. Go ahead and get your shoes sanitized off. There you go. And I'm going through next, and I'm going to get mine. We don't want to get the birds sick or anything, so we're going to get everything nice and sanitary before we go in. All right. Let's go in the gift. Well, we have our tickets. There's the ticket prices, the Sylvan Heights Bird Park. And we're all official, got our stickers for our shirts, and we're ready to go in and take a look. So we're right now in the gift shop. Lots of cool gifts here.
I've got 5, but I've got
There you
2
go.
under 3. All right, so 1 adult, 2 adults.
Okay.
1 10-year-old.
So this is the gift shop back here, actually, right? We'll go take a look. Because they have some t-shirts and everything is birds, of course.
Did you want to get any food to feed?
Check out these guys.
All right, what would you like? Okay.
Okay. There's some beautiful flamingos. And just lots and lots of gifts, souvenirs and things you can pick up so you can remember your visit. Okay. There's some little bird eggs there.
How many duck food did you say? I'm sorry.
Lots of cool things, aren't they?
You can make your own giraffe.
60, 70.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like the t-shirts. Look at that. Check this out.
My Twitter feed.
My Twitter feed. All right, there you go. We just live here. And there's the hummingbirds. Lots of nice things in here. Let's go on out and take a look at the birds. I had to show you this. This is so cool. Look at these bird eggs. Different birds from all over the country. That one there's a whooping crane egg. And oh, what are we looking at? We're looking at a hatching, where the birds are actually hatched out. We're gonna go over here and look at some little babies that's just hatched. Oh, look at this. These little guys have just hatched out. There's their little teddy bear. That's their teddy bear for comfort. Aren't they so cute? Hey, babies, you guys seem like that right now. The only thing they're interested in is eating. And this is a schedule of what's hatching out today. Today the wood ducks are going to hatch. So this is their incubator. All right. I just had to show you guys this. Okay, our first stop of the day is the Flamingos. Look at this, they got a little island out there and these guys are really living it up. Got a little pond. I think there's a few ducks over there in there with them. Never seen so many flamingos in one place, aren't they? They're the most beautiful birds, I think. That's my favorite. The pink flamingos. Well, let's move on down, see what's next.
Do you think that those are adults of
Check
their
these
babies
ducks
look
out.
like?
Yeah, look at these little ducks.
They're playing with the ball.
They got a little ball they're playing with. He's pushing the ball around. Oh, they're having a good time with that.
Oh my gosh, it's so cool.
All right, first thing we're going to come to on our walk through the bird park is a picnic table. Have some real nice picnic area on this side and a little playground for the kids. It looks like there's a lot of school kids here today for sure. All right, this turtle here is hanging out with the birds, and some of these birds are back up against the fence. Look like they're trying to just say, leave us alone. And the turtle's just hanging out. He's just seeing what's going to happen. Okay.
They'll eat out of your hand. Yeah, those good little birds will
Check this guy
You
out.
want to feed the flamingos, you hold that in your hand. And
Oh no, oh no. Karen, hold this a
One
minute.
at a time.
no, they'll take
This guy is landing on. Hold this a minute.
Here, let me give you the food and I'll take the camera. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, is it running?
It's, you're going to have to shrink it. I got it out too.
Oh my gosh, thank you, man.
Look at this guy.
Whoa.
Have you got him?
Yes.
Isn't that cool? Now, he
That
is really
so
enjoying that.
cool.
We are feeding the birds. This guy just popped up out of nowhere. Wow. Come on, guys. You're going to eat the whole stick. You got to leave some for the rest of them.
Oh my gosh. There's
He's not
one.
bashful, is he?
Oh,
They're conditioned to come down and eat, but they're not tamed by any means.
All right, he
oh
had
my
enough.
gosh.
Okay, we're going to. Here you go, buddy. Come on over here and get it.
Get down a little lower.
Get him a drink of water.
Hold it like a cup. Yeah, no, take it.
There you go. Look at that.
Thank you so much.
You might get a better picture.
That's good.
Oh yeah.
He's going to eat it all.
He sure is.
Oh, I feel him pecking. That is so good, isn't
That
it?
is fantastic.
Very gentle.
Okay, there you go.
Oh,
Okay. That's all he left me right there. He cleaned me out. Let's go look for some more.
okay.
Okay, you want to go feed the little parakeets?
Go. Come get it. He's not hungry. He's not going to eat it. Come on, guys. Here's your parakeet food. Come on and get it. I'm not going to get you. There you go. He is having a good time. He came right on there, man. He was looking at it. All right. The rest of the guys are just sitting up there. All right, leave some for the rest of them, man. Don't eat it all. I still got some more birds to feed. I don't think any of the rest of them are hungry. They probably eat all day, don't you? This one is, he's going to take it out. One guy here. All right, two of them is on. All right, didn't have any problems getting those guys. Okay. Beautiful. Look at that colorful one.
Yeah.
Okay. Here you go. There you go, baby.
I have to close this section of the park for 1 hour. Okay. The rest of the park stays open.
Okay.
We're still in the park.
Check these bird eggs out. These are some of the bird eggs from the birds that have here in the park. I've never seen so many different kinds. Okay, you guys have heard that song. You've heard that saying, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose. So there he is, the bird of paradise egg. All right, we're back at the Flamingo Pond, and there's all sorts of other ducks in here. And I have no idea what they are, but they're beautiful, as you can see. Got them a little pond there where they can swim around. We're just gonna walk through here and head on out. I've never seen so many flamingos. These are not quite as pink as the other ones. They got a little bit of white in them. There you go. There you go, guys. All right, guys, we're going to show you some of these beautiful birds in here. I have no idea what they are. But anyway, I just want to show you how colorful they are and beautiful.
They're from South America.
They're from South America. We're in the South American exhibit.
South America.
Well, Gigi knows where we are. All right, these are all the variety of birds that they have in the South American exhibit. Tells you what they are and a little bit about them. So there's a whole thing. I didn't know what they were. I just knew they were beautiful. All right, Gigi and I have finished the South American exhibit, and this guy's sitting here by the gate, and looks like he's waiting on the gate to open. He's going to get out of here, I can tell you that. All right, we're going to have to watch out, be careful when going out the gate so we don't let this fella out. See you later. See you later, buddy. We have left the South American exhibit, and now we're entering the North American exhibit on our tour. We're going to look at some of the birds from North America. We're still in the North American exhibit, and this guy over here that you're looking at, the one that's so colorful duck, that's a wood duck, and they are native to North Carolina and the Carolinas. They are one of the most colorful ducks. All kinds of ducks in here, and I have no idea what most of them are. This is the sandhill crane that you're looking at. He's right up on the fence, so we got a good look at him. See you later. Gigi, what are these now? Look at these guys. They're the largest waterfowl in North America, and he's a honking at me. All right.
Swan.
Yeah, isn't this cool? Hi there. Okay, can you honk again for me? Well, just like a bird, don't honk when you want him to. But he is honking. Sounds like an air horn on a 18-wheeler. Here we go. This guy's having his lunch.
Yeah.
Let's have a look at the whooping crane. Hey there, guy. There's the whooping crane. He came right up here to say hello. You're just going to stay there and look, are you? Okay. He's not talking much today. He's got his bill sticking out the fence. And I'm going to pull my hand back because they do bite.
with YouTube. We love you.
Okay, these are birds that in this section here are from Europe and Asia. So we'll take a look at a few of those. These are mute swans that you're looking at now. Now take a look at this guy. We're in an international exhibit, so you're going to see birds from everywhere. And he is really just walking back and forth checking me out. All right, we have the guinea fowl here. Isn't that a beautiful bird? So colorful. Hi there. Wow. Now he's just kind of being quiet. He's not like the other one. Here we go. We have found the bird of paradise. This is not the bird of paradise. Just walking back and forth. This guy, the sign said, was doing a courtship dance. So he's doing his, he's getting married, and he's going to dance a little bit first. There he goes. He just can't decide. I don't know who he's marrying because I don't see another bird in there like him. But he's going to dance a while before he gets married. There you go, guy. Check out this beautiful bird. Here you go. Don't run away. This little fella's just running right in front of us. There you go. All right. I'm not going to open the gate for you. There is the second largest living bird that you're looking at. Only bird larger than that is an ostrich. He's right next up to him, and he's just walking around. There you go. Keep your head in that fence. Thanks for being with us today and coming along for our visits to the Sylvan Heights Bird Park near Scotland Neck, North Carolina. I have never seen so many birds and ducks and whatever was here in my life. Of course, I didn't know half of what I was looking at. That's why they have signs telling you. But anyways, it's been an interesting day, and I'd like to thank Gigi for joining us with our video today. And we're going to have another one next week. So something coming up. Will be an adventure every week for you guys. I'd like to also give a shout out to my new subscribers, to all the viewers. We appreciate you watching our videos, and we'll see you on the next adventure.